Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make auto-fit columns with text in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document firstly, then you show the Excel sheet. This then we can see is the auto-fit columns. Then example is the text is Bangladesh. This text is the word is columns is the behind, this columns is the move the position, then again another words is, then show the behind column is the text, this text is the move to the fit columns. Then we can see is the auto fit columns in the with text. Firstly select the click for the sheet option, now mouse right button option click and click for the view code option, then show the book on sheet code is status bar and click for the general option, now click for the worksheet option, then show the above text and under text. This I text is the middle text is first sales option, keyboard press from the sales dot enter column dot auto fit, that's okay. Now going to the file option, then click with the close and return to Microsoft, that's okay. Then show the Bangladesh, that's, then show the auto fit is column, then again another text, now for enter, that's okay. Then show the auto fit is column, then again, that's okay. Then show the auto fit columns. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.